The bird causing the fire in California teaches valuable life lessons. 1. Small actions matter, even minor choices can lead to big outcomes, so be mindful of your impact. 2. Prepare for the unexpected, life is unpredictable, so develop adaptability and resilience. 3. Take responsibility, your actions affect others, be accountable and considerate. 4. Learn from mistakes, mistakes are opportunities for growth, practice humility. 5. Prevent problems, proactive steps are better than dealing with consequences. 6. Value harmony, balance with nature and others leads to sustainable living. 7. Think long-term, focus on long-term solutions, not just quick fixes. 8. Be resilient, challenges are opportunities to rebuild stronger and persevere. These lessons emphasize mindfulness, responsibility, and resilience in navigating life's uncertainties.